After the etching, it looks nice. Before the ferric chloride etching, and I'll show you how it looks after the etching. Now I'm gonna dip this blade into my ferric chloride solution, and I'll let it sit there for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so after the etching, this was the second round of etching. After that, it looks extraordinary. Give me your thoughts on this if you have any suggestions. Okay, now I'll have to wait for the handle material to arrive, and then I can put the handle. But surely I'll keep you posted and let me know how it looks.